Okay, first thing we need to do is remove the batteries. With a large screwdriver, I'm just going to put it in the end there and twist, just to, you hear a click. And just with a narrow screwdriver, I'm just going to flathead, just push those tabs out there. What we want to do is basically separate the top and the bottom housing. So apply a little bit of pressure on the end to open that up and just work that flathead screwdriver just to make sure these tabs are released as we pop up, separate that ever so gently, so it sits like that. Okay. Now we can pull it apart here with a little bit of tension, but we're not going to separate the rest of the device to remove these side panels. So these side panels will just come out. So that's what it looks like. And you've got a little area here that needs to slot in between these two panels. So the easiest way to do that is to just start it about halfway and just slide it in with a bit of pressure, a bit of tension against that panel, just so that it stays within those channels. And then we'll just make sure that the end is tucked in. Okay. And then apply a little bit of pressure against it. Make sure the other side is also still tucked in place. And then just snap it back down. Seal it together. Put the batteries back in, cover on, and you're done.